I'm show you motherfuckers how to change motherfuckers. Camaro tire, nigga. These are offset.
Yeah, fuel pump gone. Shit.
Mm-hmm. Your fuel pump gone.
On the damn flare.
Motherfucker.
Got the damn tank.
MDJ LLC, motherfucker. Mm-hmm. I get back to it. Who?
What you did? Went live?
But nah, this is a little video. Should put that bit on YouTube. Boy, I be fucking YouTube booming. I'm telling you, fool, I'm gonna promote your show on that watch. Boy, you come to Texas and rap. Nigga, I'm be looking for Boo Man. Marlene Custom. MLC. No, MIC, bitch. Stop playing.
Yeah, LLC, folks.
LLC. Ooh. Nah, Boo Man, boy, I heard about that scam shit with them tax write-offs, boy. Who? Boy, you got LLC, let me use it.
That ain't no scam.
Look, for real, boy, let me use it. Boy, stop playing.
Damn shit, tax write-offs is real.
Boy, my dad just changed my title. That's $1,000. Oh, that bitch off.
Tax write-offs. I left the damn 14 on you.
Change that bitch with ease. Look how naked that bitch. That bitch rusty, so.
It's gonna be different this time.
Hold that car. Oh!
Gonna play for real this time.
Yeah.
For real this time. Stop playing. Ooh. Y'all know what it is. Boo man, you not chain break, boy? Shit hard, nigga. Oh, look. Boo man, like, I'm walking. Nah. Oh. Yeah, boy. Stop playing, Jay.
Hey, cuz, when the last time you been on Fortnite, bro?
Boy, it's been about 2, 3, about 2 months. Nope. I've been on that bit. I play. Bud, you be trying to play that bit too much. Y'all see how my dad just did that? You put him one on the back and one on the front. Stop playing. You put the guard back on them. Fresh ass brake pads. 2014 Camaro GM product. There with that box. That big one to crank, boy. I'm gonna show y'all this. And my dad twisted on like that. So. Y'all know what to touch. This is. Make sure y'all should be tight. You ain't gotta do too much. That's a 10 bolt. Stop playing.
14 millimeters.
14 millimeters. Stop playing. Get y'all right. Quickly. Come on, man. It's been 2 minutes. My daddy put that bitch together. Stop playing, boy. Bitch, it's been 5 minutes. Where my boat? Oh, it's black. Professionally. So you want your shit did? Y'all know. NDJ LLC. Back on there, right? Yeah. Didn't no time. No time. We don't need the electric one, nigga. This is the classic way to do this shit. Yeah. My cousin motor. That's his running. He's running, boy. BBA, you already know what it is. Stop playing, boy. That's a B12. Listen. She gonna love cars. She gonna love cars.
Yeah, they already do.
2-minute job, y'all already know that. 5-minute job, baby, we already did the other side. Thank you. Oh. Oh. But my cousin did it off of me, you know, every 7 and probably said. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah. That bit on, boy. Classic Chevy, boy. Stop playing. All we rockin' Chevy, you know what it is. Just stop playing, nigga. In there. Wasn't even 2 minutes. In there. Brake pads replaced. 2014. Out of there.